Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. Yes, my favorite 4 hours time frame. And only few currency pairs have recovered after the huge sell-off previous week, and EURJPY is one of those currency pairs. You can just see the trend reversal. When market fell sharply, when euro became very weak after the FOMC meeting, only few currency pairs have recovered. And just look at the power of the bulls and just look at the trend reversal. It was a clear trend reversal in the form of a V pattern. So just try to understand the market psychology here, which means that bulls were not ready to take the market downward. They did not allow the price to go down. As a result, they took the price all the way upward, and it clearly gives us the clear indication that market is under the dominance of the bulls. Yes, there was a huge sell-off in the market. Okay, that mainly that was a one-time thing, but overall this market is under the influence of the bulls, and we have the clear indication this week. And after reaching this particular price level, when market got tired, market did not go down, rather market remained flat. You can clearly see that market remained flat, but market did not go down. And if I zoom out the chart, then you can clearly see that the overall trend of the market is still intact. Yes, market is still in uptrend, because see, this market, this sell-off came because euro became weak, US dollar became extremely strong. That was the reason. Otherwise, overall this chart is extremely positive. Overall this chart is under the dominance of the buyers. Therefore, in this kind of chart, as we all know, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, because the thumb rule says we should always follow the trend. And if we follow the thumb rule, so considering the overall structure of the chart, overall structure of this chart, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And as we all know, we should always look for the area of value, because in hundreds of my videos I have clearly mentioned that before executing any order, before going for any order execution, we should always look for the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading spot or the best trading opportunity. In an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support, whereas in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the area of value to short the market is near the resistance. And right now this market is an uptrend, and we have the clear signal that market is extremely bullish. Therefore, we must find the best support level so that we get the best price. And if you just look at the present chart right now, then you can clearly see that there is no proper support here on the chart, because when the huge sell-off came, almost every support level got shattered. In almost every currency pair, support levels are gone right now, resistance levels are gone right now, and right now currency pairs are trying to build the support levels and resistance level, and EURJPY is also trying to do the same. And if we look at the chart, then we can clearly see that there is no prominent support present in the chart, but still I have one black line here. You can clearly see. Let me show you the importance of this black line or this support level. And for this, I need to take you to the weekly chart. Yes, my favorite weekly time frame. So this is the weekly chart, and you can clearly see on the weekly chart also that how bullish the market is. Market is extremely bullish, and this is a support from the weekly chart. Yes, on the weekly chart also we have a support in the form of pivot. And as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big bears. Therefore, these levels are extremely important for us right now. And when the huge sell-off came previous week, This is the level, this is the support level that provided the support to the market, or that hold the resistance, sorry, they hold this sell off. Therefore this support is extremely crucial for this chart right now. Apart from this support level on the weekly chart, we do not have any proper support here or any area of value. So we do not have any clear area of value in EURJPY apart from this support from the weekly chart. Clear? Let me mark this level. So in your trading platform or charting platform, just mark this level, because 130.50 is extremely crucial for EURJPY chart. And right now you can see that in this 4 hours chart I have marked these levels. Okay. So I have 132 on the downside and 132.70 on the upside, and we can clearly see that right now market is trading in this tight range only. There is no doubt about it. And so what should be a strategy? See, if you are a beginner, if you want to avoid this kind of trading whenever market is in a range, then you can avoid trading in a range. Otherwise, if you have got some experience, if you are a scalper, if you have got some scalping experience, then what you can do is that if market comes down and touches this 132 level, if market comes down and touches the 132 level, then just observe the price. If you see market bouncing from this 132 level, if you see that price is bouncing or reversing from 132 level, you can go for buy order. Otherwise, if you are looking for a clean trend market or clean trending market, what you can do is that you can wait for the market to cross this level. Looking at the present structure of the market, looking at the present bullishness of the market, there we can hope that in the coming days market will cross this particular level. Okay. And I will not tell you to, or I will not advise you to short the market at this level, because overall market is bullish. So if you short the market at this level, there is a possibility that you may get trapped. Therefore, an uptrend market only we should look for buying opportunities. It's not it. So your first buying opportunity is this, the 132 level. If market bounces from 132 level, then only go for buy order. Secondly, if market crosses this level, 132.70 level, just observe the price. If you see that market has clearly crossed the level, if you see that market is trading comfortably above this level for 4 to 6 hours, okay, we need the confirmation, so wait for 4 to 6 hours. So if market starts trading comfortably above this level, then this level will be your new area of value, because the resistance will become the support and this level will become the new area of value, and you can go for a buy order. But keep in mind, market may see some resistance at this level, 133.75. Anyways, that's a different chapter. Right now market is trading in a range, so you can buy at 132 if you want, and if you are looking for a clean trending market, wait for the market to cross 132.70 level. Okay, so but do not short the market. That is my request, because I would like to show you one more thing. This is the Forex sentiment meter, and you can see that EURJPY. In the EURJPY, only 22% traders have taken long position and 77 traders have taken short position. And this Forex sentiment meter shows the sentiment of the retail traders. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money because they do not know how to follow the trend of the market. Therefore, follow the trend. Because see, this is the sentiment meter, and they are, see, just look at the condition of them. See, they have taken short position at 129 level. So whatever, do not follow the herd, analyze properly and wait for the perfect trend, wait for the market to come to you. If you want to check the Forex sentiment meter, you can go to my website avilashajarka.com. Under the Forex 101 section, you will find the Forex sentiment meter. So hopefully you have understood what you need to do on Monday. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday, and wait for the perfect opportunity. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. Bye bye. Take care.